Very good evening to everyone. How is life going on? Welcome back to Edu Skills, OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and share this video to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. All the services at Edu Skills are free of cost, no payments of any sort. And you can find the links of the recordings in the description given below. Please share so that we reach out to those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Okay, keep smiling. Part B, there we will be looking into notice. Just try to imagine, visualize what are the questions that will come to your mind. This is a notice. So the questions could be, what is the program? Who is organizing it? For whom? Beginners, advanced, crash course. When, date and duration. Why? Aim or purpose of the course. There's a spelling mistake, of the course. Course structure. Which subjects will be dealt with. Fee or payment. Okay. So whenever you see something, a notice, or as we said, the guideline also has got a structure, you have to visualize as if you are planning to attend this program, or you are going to interact with those people. Okay. And as we get into sample 5, part B, question number 1, let's check. This is a notice. According to the notice, the course is only available to nurses who. So which question it answers? Who are eligible, right? According to the notice, the course is only available to nurses, particular group of nurses, not to all the nurses, particular group of nurses. Okay, we'll just listen to this one. It's also a listening practice for you. Listen and try to understand for whom is the course.
According to the notice, the course is only available to nurses who wish to apply for a hospital internship, are prepared to pay for the course themselves, are already employed in a related field. Notice. Emergency Nurse Practitioner, ENP Minor Injury Course. We are pleased to announce that the hospital's ENP service will be running a minor injury course. The aim of the course is to prepare experienced registered nurses working within emergency, primary care and walk-in environments to provide a high level of autonomous care for patients presenting with minor trauma. The ENP minor injury course structure has recently been changed. There will no longer be an additional clinical placement, and course applicants will therefore be required to complete all their clinical competencies in their own clinical setting with a designated mentor, with whom we will correspond in advance of the course. Therefore, only applications from registered nurses working in a nursing role on a permanent basis, in a relevant area such as the emergency department or minor injuries unit within their organization can be considered, and their place will need to be funded by their organization, rather than self-funded.
Okay, so those who are familiar with the system can interact. If you have no distractions in the background, keep smiling and interact, okay? According to the notice, the course is only available to nurses who, particular group of nurses. First one, wish to apply for a hospital internship. So what is the hedging word?
Hospital internship.
Hospital internships, okay. Then?
Pay for the course.
Yes.
Pay for the course.
Pay for the course means fees. Those who are prepared to pay for the course. Then?
Employed
in a related field. So coming to the topic sentence, do you have any clue here? The aim of the course is to prepare experienced nurses working in emergency, primary care and walk-in environments to provide a high level of autonomous care for patients presenting with minor trauma. That is the topic sentence. So for whom is the training? Any idea you got from your listening or reading?
Registered nurses working within emergency.
Registered nurses
working with
Working
emergency,
within
primary care and walk-in environments.
Is there any similar option in the question?
The employed related field.
Option C.
Employed in a
C.
related
field.
Related field.
Okay. Do you see? Therefore, only applications from registered nurses working in a nursing role on a permanent basis in a relevant area. Relevant
Area.
What is the synonymous expression of relevant area?
Related field.
Related field. So that is relevant area. Only applications from registered nurses working in a nursing role on a permanent basis in a relevant area, such as emergency department or minor injuries. Unit within the organization can be considered, and their place will need to be funded by whom?
By the organization.
Funded by
By
their
the
Organization.
organization. So, should they be prepared to pay the fees?
No.
No.
That is
Opposite.
eliminated. And do they speak something about a hospital internship?
No.
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 There will be no longer be an additional clinical placement. And course applicants will therefore be required to complete all their clinical competencies in their own clinical setting with a designated mentor. Here it says there will no longer be an additional clinical placement is hospital internship, right?
Yes.
Yeah, wish to apply for a hospital internship. So here it says no longer be an additional clinical placement. There is no hospital internship available. So that also can be eliminated. All these eliminations are not required, as we know the thing. This is only for the practice purpose. So you know how easy it is. The clue is here. Registered nurses working within emergency, primary care, and walk-in environments provide a high level of autonomous. And again, it is therefore, it is repeated only applications from registered nurses working in a nursing role on a permanent basis in a relevant area. Okay, so let's check into the structure of this one. I'm teaching you in detail so that you understand the whole thing and try to grasp. Okay, so this is the notice. You have the heading first. Then you have who is organizing and what is the program. We are pleased to announce that the hospital's ENP service will be running a minor injury course. Then you have for whom, topic sentence speaks, for whom is the program. And the question is on the topic sentence, for whom is the program. Why, aim or purpose of the course also is mentioned in the topic sentence. Then you have course structure, the ENP minor injury course structure has recently changed, and then she is speaking about course structure, also clinical placement, all those things which are not at all relevant for us, provided we understand the topic sentence. Then you have for whom, repeated. Again, the whole thing is repeated. The topic sentence, it says for whom, again it says for whom at the end. So it is repeated. The answer is stressed and repeated. Okay, at the end says funding or payment by whom. That is B option, are prepared to pay for the course themselves. They need not pay for the course because the organization will be paying for it. So easy it is, provided you visualize, understand the text.